Everyone, Joey here, and we are currently in Boulder City, Nevada. Today, Julie and I are going to be knocking two things off of our bucket list. First of all, check out these mountains, but most importantly, oh my God, look at this Union Pacific sitting right behind me, on engine ready to go. We're not taking it today because somebody doesn't like trains. No, that one doesn't like trains. But this is where we're starting our trip. I mean, you can't get any more beautiful than mountains and trains, right? But before we get started, make sure you go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's knock off these things on the bucket list. Let's get moving. You ready, Julia?
Yes.
We're knocking two things off the bucket list. We didn't tell them yet, so we're not going to tell them. You guys have to come with it, so it's probably in the description below. Julia and I plan on hitting the road, and we have about 7 hours, and there's no Starbucks in between, so we have a family size thing of Starbucks. This is going to last us a couple of days. We'll be good. Actually, I take it back. It's probably going to last us like halfway there. Guys, did we get enough coffee? Oh, we are. Did we get enough coffee, Jewel?
I mean, one way, yes.
My favorite is that it said online that it's good for 16 people.
That's for 2 of us.
Of course, along our route, we're going to be knocking off one of Joey's bucket lists, and that is driving on Route 66. I always wanted to do Chicago to Santa Monica, but it's all right. We're going to knock out a little piece today. And of course, we're also stopping at the Hoover Dam because Julia wants to see the Hoover Dam. Right?
What?
Dam. You want to see the dam, right?
Yeah.
Dam. All right, let's get moving. Ruth. No. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Folks, the Hoover Dam's right here. We're gonna walk this way and then go over to the walkway bridge and walk over there, and we're just gonna walk everywhere. You know, gonna do it all the touristy stuff because we're tourists. Julia's never been here before, so this is pretty cool for her. And sorry if I'm moving the camera a lot because we're going downhill. Anyway, let's go. Insane to see how far up the water line used to go. Crazy, right? Now, when I came here, what was it, 2002, the water was, I think, at least 10 feet higher. Keeps dropping down, man. Drought's no good here, man. No good. Julie, don't drop your phone. I heard that she's gonna drop her phone. I feel like she needs a rope. I think you need a rope. You're like a kid. You're gonna drop it all the way down. Oh, there goes the phone. No.
Yeah, and there goes your phone. That'd be so funny if you do.
No. What Julie and I really want to know is how the heck they built this hole. Because
seriously, I built it.
because it's like a straight drop down. And let me show you. Insane, right? It's super impressive. All right, we're gonna head to the car and do the walkway, the skyway, or whatever they're called. Woo! Oh, beautiful Hoover Dam. All right, we're walking to the skyway and take some cool photos before we head out to Kingman, Arizona. I keep saying Kingsman with the movie. I don't know, I'm an idiot. Made it to the middle. Look how beautiful Hoover Dam looks, right? Now, what's really funny is that Miss Julia over here is terrified because the bridge is shaking. She won't get off the wall, and she keeps grabbing the railing whenever she goes to take a photo as though she's gonna fall over because she thinks she's gonna trip bounce 10 feet in the air and flip over the railing. Julie, you're gonna be fine. Get close.
I'm okay.
You're fine. Go. Scaredy cat. She's scared, man. Don't be scared. You're so far away from the railing, Julie, you can let go. You scared, Julia?
Because you can trip and then you're done.
How are you gonna trip over the railing?
Not over the railing.
Tell me. What? I'm so confused. I think that guy has a problem, right, Joel? A little bit of a problem. There's no railings. Are you okay?
Joe, can you drive? Oh my god. Oh my god. Can I just walk?
Julie can't handle it.
Joey, eyes approved.
I'm having a blast. Well, folks, we're in Kingman, Arizona, just about to turn on Route 66. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, here we go, Route 66! Check mark, off the bucket list. Of course, we're gonna drive on here for at least 100 miles. Route 66, baby! In a convertible. Even better. This is awesome. I love this. So now, for those who don't understand the significance of Route 66 to me, you gotta remember something. I love doo-wop. I love everything 1950s. If you actually saw a picture of my bedroom where I grew up, you would see my whole room is decorated doo-wop, aka 1950s/1960s. And of course, for anyone who knows, Route 66 is all about the doo-wop architecture and things like that. So to be on this road, to see these cool old neon signs, these old abandoned motels, it really is cool to me. Plus, Route 66, it's Route 66 for crying out loud. Anyway, we have about 30 miles left on Route 66, and we're about an hour away from the Grand Canyon. So we're gonna keep piling on. The cool thing about Route 66 is that there's really no one on this road. Let me show you. You have a Mustang, you have to do at least 110, right? After 5 hours of driving, Julia, we made it to the Grand Canyon. Are you ready? Are you excited?
Yes.
Very excited, guys. We're walking to the rim now. And now this is exactly what Julia wanted. She wanted us to watch the sunset over the canyon rim. I can't wait because I know the sky's going to light up some beautiful colors. So we're going to get walking because the sun's going to be setting in about an hour. Here we go. We're coming up on the rim, everyone. We're coming up to the rim. Is this not the most incredible view you've ever seen? I mean, besides my wife being beautiful, I mean, I'm talking about the Grand Canyon. Incredible, right? No words can explain how beautiful this is. It's breathtaking, and it's so big. I mean, I wish the pictures could show how big it is. It's too big and too beautiful. That's the bottom line. That was worth it. Julia?
Absolutely.
Was it worth a plane ride, 5 hours, and a car ride, 5 hours?
Definitely.
Guys,
Speechless.
it was beautiful. And we're gonna come back again tomorrow, not to watch the sunrise, because somebody's gotta work tonight, and I gotta sleep a little bit. But we're gonna go ahead and come back and see everything. Of course, at noon, it's gonna be really hot, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. Thank you so much for joining us. We got to drive another hour back to our hotel. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and tell us what did you like so far on our trip. You know, this was Julia's bucket list thing. We did my Route 66 bucket list thing. Yeah, we did a lot. But
Did the cars that
yeah, cars this way. So guys, we'll see you later. Have a great day. Bye. Julia, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.